Built for every ride. Controlled by one app. This is XKmax.
At XKGLOW, we've spent years building lighting systems that push the standard. XKmax is our 5th generation app-controlled lighting ecosystem, and it has completely changed the game. Whether it's off-road rigs, show builds, motorcycles, or daily drivers, XKmax was designed to bring every part of your lighting experience together into one powerful system. And unlike most lighting companies, we develop our own apps in-house. That means faster updates, better reliability, and features built specifically for enthusiasts. Our technology is trusted by industry-leading partners like Polaris, Honda, and Mastercraft boats. And that trust, paired with our confidence in the product, is exactly why nearly every XKmax product is backed by our limited lifetime warranty. In this video, we're going to walk through the XKmax app, explore our growing lineup of lighting kits, break down the hardware and installation process, and show you why more drivers and more dealers are switching to XKmax every day. The heart of the XKmax ecosystem is the app. The app gives users complete control over both RGB and RGBW lighting through an experience designed for simplicity, reliability, and customization. And when you think about it, once a customer leaves the dealership, their entire lighting experience is based on the app that they use every single day. And if the app experience is frustrating, that frustration reflects on the installer. That is why you cannot settle for generic lighting apps. Sure, the lights might turn on, but do they connect to Bluetooth every time? Are customers able to customize their setup exactly how they want? With XKmax, those aren't even questions. Between advanced dynamic effects, music sync, brake and turn signal integration, and multi-zone control, the customization is virtually endless. Even with larger builds that involve 2 to 4 controllers, the XKmax system allows you to seamlessly control all of the lights like they are all on one controller, while others require you to flip between controllers or even apps. And while all of this sounds advanced, the interface was designed to be intuitive for first-time users while still offering the functionality that enthusiasts expect. We even built a tips and tutorial section directly into the app to help guide users through features and frequently asked questions. Let's take a look at 3 main categories of XKmax lighting. Starting with the Jeep and off-road category, we'll use this Jeep Gladiator as a reference. Some key Jeep-specific products would be the 7-inch headlight kit, which will work for any Jeep model from older Jeep Wrangler TJs to brand new JLs, our 4-inch RGBW fog light kit, the hood and running board atomic strip kit, which quickly became one of our most popular Jeep products because of the unique look and how easy it is to install. This Jeep also has our RGBW grill pod light kit, which fits in any hex-shaped grill, and our Pro rock light kit, which comes with 12 rock lights, but also comes in smaller 4 and 8-piece kits. And we've got 6 different size light bars: 7-inch, 10-inch, 20, 30, 40, and 50-inch. 2 products this Jeep is missing is our XKmax RGBW cube lights, which provide both a super bright output light and a color-changing backlight, and our 5th wheel light, which took our best-selling Jeep product and added RGBW color-chasing effects to it, alongside the brakes, running lights, turn signals, and reverse. For Jeep and off-road enthusiasts, XKmax delivers complete vehicle lighting solutions built for both durability and performance, whether that is on the trails or at the show. For cars and trucks, XKmax combines clean installation with high-end customization. Our main car SKU is going to be a tiered kit that starts as an interior-only kit, to an underglow kit, to a full interior underglow and wheel well kit. With XKmax, we took it one step further and we created an Ultra Series underglow, which is made up of an extruded aluminum tube, making it the toughest underglow on the market. Paired with the XKmax app, it is truly an underglow kit made for the show car builders and true enthusiasts. We also have 16.5-inch single and triple row RGBW wheel rings, but we've even added a 15-inch to help light up those smaller wheels. One of our most popular car interior kits is our XKmax Fiber Optic. It is made up of addressable side-firing LED strips that provide an insanely bright light, yet remain flexible and thin to fit in tight spaces between dash panels. They are also cuttable, making it easy to get that perfect fit and factory look, because fitment matters, especially in those spaces where there isn't a lot of room to work with, like a motorcycle. For motorcycle riders, safety and style go hand in hand, and XKmax motorcycle kits are designed to increase visibility while giving riders a fully customizable look. Our moto kits also stair-step in size, starting from an engine-only kit to a full bike, which would get you the lights on the front wheel, engine, under the bike, and under the saddlebag. Every piece of hardware in these kits has been redesigned from our previous generation. We were able to make our compact pods extremely small, even after doubling the amount of LEDs in them to provide a brighter and more spread out glow. We even added a new size flexible strip that is 16 inches, which is perfect for under the gas tanks and the saddlebags. Throughout development of our moto kits, we always keep safety in mind, and that is where the XKmax sensor wires come into play. They allow users to sync the light to their brakes with our Smart Brake feature. No matter what color the bike lights are, they will turn red whenever applying the brakes. So not only do our lights make bikes look good, but they also help you be seen, which is the most important part. Speaking of parts, let's take a look at some hardware. Every XKGLOW product is designed with the installation in mind. Our plug-and-play ecosystem makes expanding a system simple, whether you're adding a few lights or building your own complete vehicle setup. All XKmax connectors and extension wires were completely redesigned from the ground up. They feature waterproof connections preloaded with dielectric grease for maximum durability in real-world conditions. Once connected, you will see that the tabs line up on top that you can put a zip tie or a screw through, and if you're feeding these wires through a hole, we perforated these tabs so they can be easily ripped off. With or without a zip tie, you won't have to worry about these connections coming apart. We also knew that when people bought one of our kits, they eventually wanted to add another one. That is why we developed a 4-channel controller for XKmax, so you can really maximize the amount of lights coming off one controller. But we also know that some products don't need a very large controller, so we developed a single-channel controller to help keep the cost down on some of these smaller lighting upgrades that can run off a single-channel controller. The XKmax controller is built like no other lighting controller out there, and it is backed by our limited lifetime warranty. If you walk into an off-road shop, a custom car builder, or a Jeep shop that installs lighting, it won't take long for them to realize why XKmax is different. And once they start using it, they won't want to go back. Almost all of our XKmax lights are backed by our limited lifetime warranty and supported by a customer service team that's there when you need them. If you have any questions, give us a call at 217-679-1915 or email us at xk@xkglow.com. And if you want to see more about XKmax or learn about specific products in detail, be sure to take a look at our YouTube channel as we have an album full of XKmax product overviews and installations. And be sure to follow XKGLOW on social media to keep up with the latest news and product releases.